Hey guys, CR Classics here, and first of all I want to say Happy New Year, and I apologise for not uploading over the last few weeks. We've been rather busy with Christmas and everything, but there has been a lot going on the car. First of all, these A-frames we've taken off, which is quite a big job, and we've replaced the bushes, and I'm not sure you can see, so that's these things in here. And we've done those on both sides, and you're probably thinking, why have I got it at home and why is it not with the car? Well, you can pretty see that the paint on the A-frame itself isn't in the best condition. Although the A-frame's okay, the paint really isn't the best. So we're going to repaint it. What I'm doing now is sanding off all the paint. So guys, a few hours later, and here's how the A-frame is looking. I'm sure you'll agree, it looks much better than it did earlier this morning. So this is now ready to be primed and painted at our workshop, so I'm just going to go and drop it off, and then I'm going to pick up the other one, do the same to that one, pop these bushes in, which will take a few hours themselves, so I'll do that to the other frame. And I'm going to be doing the same thing to the front suspension, just stripping it down, giving it a paint, popping some new bushes in because they have perished really. So I'm going to be doing that properly over the next few days, which is quite exciting. And then hopefully I'll get the car back to take it for a spin, because I haven't driven it in quite a long time now, and it's, as you can see, quite nice weather around me, so that's exciting. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I do to the next one. CR Classics out.